Welcome to the REDATS channel. My name is Hubert, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to balance steel wheels and alloy wheels on the W-640 wheel balancer using the 12 o'clock adhesive weight placement mode as well as the laser guided adhesive mode. First, we select a cone that fits the centering hole in the rim and place it on the end of the shaft. Then we mount the wheel and tighten it with a nut. Let's start entering the parameters. Place the round part of the arm under the rim edge and hold it in place. When dashes appear on the first and third displays, put the arm down. Next, take the width measuring arm and place it under the rim on the other side and hold it in place. When dashes appear on the middle display, put it back under the cover. Remove the old weights from the rim and close the cover. The balancing machine informs us that to balance this wheel, we will need 25 grams on the left and 30 grams on the right. After the wheel stopped, the machine automatically set the imbalance location. We have the left side, we take a weight, in our case 25 grams, and apply it exactly at 12 o'clock. Press stop to set the other side. Here we have 30 grams. We take the weight, apply it also at 12 o'clock and close the cover. The balancing machine showed 0-0, which means that the wheel is balanced. We remove the steel wheel and move on to the alloy wheel. Just like before, after cleaning and inflating the wheel, we start by selecting the proper cone and placing it on the shaft. Then put the wheel on and tighten it with a nut. We then check the rim for any old wheel weights. If there are any, they must be removed and clean off any adhesive residue. Once the rim is clean, we can start entering the parameters. There are some differences here depending on the program we are going to use. We will start with how to enter parameters for the ALU1, ALU2, and ALU3 programs. We position the measuring arm with its round part under the rim of the aluminium wheel. When the indicator bars appear on the first and third display, we return the arm to the machine. Next, take the width measuring arm and place it on the right edge of the rim, approximately at the height of the tire bead. When the indicator bars appear on the middle display, put the measuring arm back under the cover. After entering these parameters, simply close the cover. In the ALUS program, the parameters are entered only with the machine's measuring arm. The arm is not used to measure the width. First, place the measuring arm on the adhering point of the left weight. When the indicator bars appear on the first and third displays, do not put the extension arm back into the machine, but slide it deeper into the rim and place it on the bonding point of the second weight. When the display shows ALUS, we return the arm to the machine. In this mode, the machine does not read the parameters of the entire wheel, but the exact location of the weights, which is why the first display shows us the distance of the left weight from the machine, the second display shows us the distance of the right weight from the machine, and the third display shows us the diameter at which the left weight will be applied. Additionally, after holding the find button, we will see a fourth measurement that shows us the diameter at which the right weight will be attached. Once we have entered the parameters and know what they mean, we can close the cover to weigh the wheel. We have 35 grams on the left side and 30 grams on the right side. The machine has positioned the right side. We take the weight and apply it at the 12 o'clock position. Press the stop button to set the other side. On this side, we have 35 grams. We take the weight and apply it again at the 12 o'clock position. You can close the cover to check. The balancer showed us 0, 0, so the wheel is balanced. Now, we will balance this wheel once more, but this time using the laser pointer. We remove the weights from the left and right sides and close the cover again. We have 35 grams on the left and 30 grams on the right. To activate the laser mode, we press the two buttons Stop plus F simultaneously. The center display now shows LAS. We press STOP so that the machine sets the imbalance location. As we can see, the laser has indicated the left side. On this side, we need to apply 35 grams. We take the weight and stick it so that the laser line touches the left edge of the weight's center. Press stop to set the other side. Here we have 30 grams. Take the weight and stick it on. Now we can close the cover to check. The balancer shows 0 to 0, so the wheel is balanced. This is how steel and aluminium wheels are balanced on the REDATS W-640 balancing machine. If you are looking for information about this or any other machine, check out our channel. You will find a lot of useful information there. Thanks for today and see you next time.